Welcome back to Slate Bites. In today's video, we will learn how to display an image from a record's Materials tab as a query export. In this example, we will be looking at a custom material type of headshot. We will begin with a person-based query. I've started us off with some basic person exports. Next, we will filter on records that have a material type of headshot by joining to Materials and adding our filter. Now that our query is narrowed to only records who have a headshot in the Materials tab, we will shift our focus to exporting the image. Begin by joining to Materials and adding a filter so that we are only exporting headshots. We are going to adjust our output to concatenate and set our row limit to 1. Next, we will add a literal export and enter the image source as follows. Next, we will add a subquery export that will dynamically generate the image for the material that we want returned. We'll use a special formula of stream inside of square brackets as displayed that will allow us to reference the appropriate material image. To save a formula subquery, we need at least one export, so we'll go ahead and put in a literal of stream. To complete the HTML image tag, we'll add another literal to close the tag while adding the following. Since what we're doing here is creating a snippet of HTML in our subquery export, we want to be sure to set the type to HTML. This will let the query tool render this as HTML rather than a string, resulting in the headshots to appear. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to smash that subscribe button.